Model, 2014 Volkswagen Caravelle Transporter 2.0 BiTDI 180 PS BM Tech Executive DSG Automatic needs turbo. Body, silver, MPV. Mileage, 79,836. MOT, the 26th of March 2025. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 180 PSD. Transmission, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Turbo needs replacing. Simple turbo replacement job starstruck. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, parking sensors, air con, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £18,695. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on